In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache and cookies in Google Chrome. If web pages are acting weird, not updating, or sign-ins aren't working properly, clearing your cache and cookies often fixes it. Your cache stores copies of images and pages to load sites faster, while cookies save things like login status and site preferences. We'll clear both safely in just a minute. Start by opening Google Chrome. Look to the top right corner and click the three vertical dots to open the menu. From there, hover over More Tools and choose Clear Browsing Data. If you prefer a shortcut, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on Windows. On a Mac, it's Command plus Shift plus Delete. That will open the same window. You'll see a dialog titled Clear Browsing Data. At the top is a time range menu. Pick the time range that matches your situation. If you're troubleshooting a long-standing issue or preparing a clean start, choose All Time. For a smaller reset, last hour or last 24 hours is fine, but all time is the most thorough. Next, make sure the options for cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. Cookies control sign-ins and preferences. Clearing them can log you out of websites, so be ready to sign in again afterward. Cached images and files remove saved copies of pages and media, which helps resolve formatting glitches or outdated content. You don't need to select anything else for this task. Now click Clear Data. Depending on how much information is built up, this may take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Keep Chrome open and let it finish. Once it's done, return to the page you were using and refresh it. The first load might be a bit slower as Chrome rebuilds the cache, which is normal. If a site asks you to log in again, that's the expected result of clearing cookies. After you sign back in, your sites should behave normally. A quick recap. Open Chrome, go to the three dots, More Tools, Clear Browsing Data, or use the keyboard shortcut. Choose your time range, check cookies and other site data, and cached images and files, then click Clear Data. This simple routine resolves many browsing issues and helps keep things running smoothly. That's it. You now know exactly how to clear your cache and cookies in Google Chrome. If you found this helpful, keep this process in mind anytime pages won't load correctly or your browser feels out of date.